Jonathan?
Breaking news! We just got word that downtown Starford just got hit with a massive earthquake.
Here's a video from a citizen that was in the earthquake. Now to Jonathan with an interview.
The earthquake was so strong that the moment the earthquake had started, everything began to fall. There was no time to think. I only had time to react to things falling.
What did you think when you saw the other man being knocked out by a brick?
When I saw him, I thought he was killed. I only found out later, after the paramedics checked him out, that I was only knocked out. I was scared for his life, and at the time of the earthquake, mine.
All right, thank you. This is Jonathan Lincoln reporting live.
Okay, good.
Action! Wow, what a rumble.
That is all for now for News Channel 39. Have a great day.
Bye for now.